We are going to the beach at Sabang Beach. Sabang. This we call Sabang Baler Beach. We're going. It's just nearby. We need to walk to there. A lot of people will go for swimming. Oh my god. I even use umbrella. It's hot. There. My friends are there. Oops, my friends are there. Okay. Akau. Baler. Home hotel. There the beach. Oh wow, the beach. Somebody is selling things like this. Souvenirs. Okay, let's go there. Here. There the beach. Oh my god. I love it. It's very nice. Very nice. Very nice. A lot of people in here. Oh my god. Oh, so many people. So many people. Come on. Oh, so sexy. Oh, so many people. They want to surf down there. Oh, wow. Oh, it's beautiful. Shall we go down there? Or we walk around there first? We go look. Let's go. We walk around? Yeah. Oh, luckily I bring my umbrella. Oh my god. I have umbrella. Oh, I like the water. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Down until there. This is Sabang Baler Beach. They used to surf in here. Yeah. There. They love it here because of they can learn how to surf. Shall we go there? Close to there? Oh, they love it. They love it. The people down there will surf. I'll try to zoom it. Oh, but hardly to see. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, I like the waves. Very nice.
Sandra!
You are here, Sandra. Oh my god, Sandra is here. Picking shell. What is that? Let me see. Oh. Oh wow. Oh, beautiful. Ala, what are those? Apok, put it here. Put Put it in the bag.
Ay, ikabilutin ni bag ni Grandma.
Sandra, put. Sandra, put it here. What is that? Oh, she's speaking this. This type, what is that? Ano ba yan? Baton sana. Hindi.
Saan mo tabalayan niya bato?
It's not bato.
Kamot nga buti.
Yeah, it's not. It's beautiful. No. Pick up a kind of store. What? Ito na eh. This one.
Ay, what is yan?
I'm picking things. This is nice. I don't know what's this, but it's beautiful. So pretty. I like the waves. Kinampay lang apok. Mahala ka ti plastic. Dumawat ka ti plastic. Apok, dumawat ka ti plastic nga pag-ikamwen. I'm at the beach but I'm using umbrella. It's so nice. Alam ni Xavier, oh,